Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to replace the battery. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws. Remove the outer shell. Place the new battery in the battery compartment. Put the battery side into the device opening. Connect the red wire to the position marked with the red dot. Connect the black wire to the unmarked terminal nearby. Insert and secure the power switch in place. Check if the wire connections are correct. Insert the charging port into the slot. After confirming that all wire connections are normal and trouble-free, close the machine cover. Power on test to check if the battery is working properly. Thanks for watching. See you next time.